Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another Don's Lawns video. In today's video, we're going to talk about fall fertilizers and why you should or should not apply it, and when you should or should not apply it. So stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, I hope you hit that like button, tap subscribe down below. If you're a consistent follower, make sure you still hit that like button. I appreciate it, and let's get into the video. First off, I apologize if there's a little too much wind noise. Just got to deal with it sometimes, you know? But fall fertilizers. So there's a couple that I really like and I really have had good experience using, and of course I am a Yard Mastery affiliate, so I do recommend a lot of Yard Mastery products, but you don't have to buy Yard Mastery, okay? I do have links down below if you're interested in purchasing some. Feel free to look down there in the description. You can find them down there as well, okay? So the biggest or most beneficial Yard Mastery product that I've found in the fall is that stress blend. And that's because it has a high potassium content. Now remember, potassium is the last number in your 3-number series of N, P, and K. Okay, so that would be like 2406, or in the stress blend, it's a 7020. That 20 is a high potassium content. I like to aim for maybe 0.75 pounds or 0.8 pounds of potassium per 1,000 square feet whenever I apply the stress blend. And that's just going to give it a real good pump of potassium, and that potassium is beneficial to the plant health. Another option that I've found good experience with is that flagship blend from Yard Mastery. Now that one has a higher push of nitrogen, so you can tell right away, nitrogen or potassium, which one do I need? Well, it really depends on your growing season and your plant type. If your grass is a cool season grass, now's the time to start hitting it with nitrogen and start pushing that growth. If you have a warm season grass like St. Augustine or Bermuda, like myself, now's a good time to give it some potassium because we've had some drought and some stress during the summer. And now a third option for a fall fertilizer is something with a pre-emergent. I usually like to do a split app, which means I'll do half of the pre-emergent now or early, and then I'll do another half of the pre-emergent at a later date. Always follow the recommendations on the bag. Yard Mastery does have pre-emergent that you can purchase. You can also find it at your Lowe's. It'll say a crabgrass prevention. That works for winter or summer, and it works on many different types of weeds that may pop up. So make sure you get your pre-emergent down, prevent those winter weeds. Now areas like this, maybe you can see it in the camera here, were really affected by the drought this summer, and I started to cut it really low after the drought really killed a lot of the grass. And because of that, the St. Augustine started to spread more. Because it couldn't grow up, it had to grow out. And that's what's really helping this area. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give it some of that stress blend to help promote some healthy growth, but not too much growth, just healthy growth. And that's gonna be very beneficial to the plant with the potassium in the stress blend. Now I also started cutting this area really low because I would like some of the Bermuda to start to spread into this section. Obviously the Bermuda grass has done pretty well throughout the season, throughout the drought. So I'm gonna try to transition more of my yard into Bermuda. I started making my own plugs by taking some clippings or taking some snips of stolons and planting them into pots, which you'll see here. Now those pots I would keep lightly watered for about 2 weeks or so, and then I could transition those into the ground by just digging a small hole, transitioning them out of the pot into the hole like this. So in conclusion, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys took something away from this. I like to use that stress blend in the fall because my summer grass gets a little beat up in the drought and during the heat, and that stress blend has a high potassium amount. You can always find other products at Lowe's or Home Depot as well. Just look for that 3rd number on the bag to be a little bit higher than the 1st number, which is nitrogen. So you're looking for a higher potassium, NPK, okay? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button, tap subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at DonsLawns1. See you in the next one. Best of luck in the lawn.